Pedumstrian, pedum-dum-dum-dum-dum-strian. Goodbye, horses.
Stop it, if you will, signs a 7-year...
No stop.
$8.3
No stop.
million a year contract.
At some point, they're going to tell you to stop. Just keep going. You think that was the...
No, I think read scripture, keep reading scripture. If they allow it,
Oh, now you
then
signal.
we've won
Good job.
de facto. And if
is how, as democracies and supposedly the more
Red light run, red light run, red red light run, because they have red arrow coming from that opposite side there. So it counts.
it's a terrorist group. But the question everybody asks, if you ever question any of this response, you know Batman, right?
of course.
Oh, nice cutoff.
Okay.
You know, like, it's kind of up there in terms of how difficult it was, and it, like, because I'd done
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
feel good because it didn't align with the reason for why I was out there, which was to challenge myself. So it was like it felt like I was taking the easy gravel fields don't burn, green meadows will burn with much less intensity than a thicketed, big stand of trees. So like,
Red light run, red light run, red light run.
Big one, the one that would be the most help, is just a straight donation of a few bucks via PayPal or
Turn right from the left lane. You can't do that. No.
hated to bring this up, but I kind of need to.
You screwed up there.
Gummies, space with like an hour.
Yeah.
And I never want that experience again.
Yeah.
Like, never. The next time I have that experience will be
I had to.
Left turn regret. I was wondering why he wasn't turning. American Red Cross.
didn't make any stops. At the next place, he's not on the bus, and they never found him. It's like, how does somebody disappear off of a bus that never stops?
Wait. You're turning from the center lane. Moron.
Fix the shape of, like, crosses or fucking whatever, and then everything goes tits up. And then a bunch of little kids touch the outside of your tent.
Right. It freaks you.
Exit dive.
Sanitation workers were concerned. This way, the dead would not decay quite so fast. Bonfires.
Nice
by the
cutoff.
hundreds were blazing. He saw that little gullies had already been cut.
Really?
The South Fork Fishing and Hunting Club would almost certainly be represented by Knox and Reed. And already the press was playing up.
No,
the
turn on
likelihood
red.
that suits would follow.
That's a desperation shitter. There's nothing I own. My wife could be in one of those, and I'd be like, "Well, that's gone."
That's what I wanted to talk to you about.
I was like, "No, it's
I
gone."
was going to ask
Wait,
you
what
about
the?
this.
What? Yeah, you can't turn left like that.
Step to be like, this is the operation that's going to change it all.
Yeah, man, it's like to me, it's like the surgical equivalent of the people.
Yeah, you
who are
didn't
like,
stop,
"Now I'm gonna
dude."
get my eyeballs tattooed," and you're like, "All right, look,
As dogs. All right. Okay. And I like the Rams at home. -3 against the Steelers. I think the Steelers are another erratic team. I think the Rams are kind of starting to put it together a little bit. They're both scary teams. I just like that the Rams.
Red light run, red light run, red light run. And yes, Bill Burr was picking against the Steelers, and if I was in his position, I would do the same thing. So I forgive him.
How to be in a relationship. I just get it now. It's like you're with somebody that agreed to spend their life.
Red light run, whoa! Get another red light run, red light run, red light run.
Cases insisting you have to work together. There's an example that's not
No,
in my
turn
book
on red.
of a Mexican. She started an organization, I believe.
Don't
it was in
turn
Oakland,
on
San
red.
Francisco, and the whole.
Why? It just looks weird to me.
It's a
like,
weird
it's
fashion
very,
choice.
It's a very. I'm not shitting on your beard. If you look
No,
at the
stop.
person, I'm not shitting on your beard. I'm sure you look beautiful.
Toilet turd.
This guy, though, looks a little... You're like, I do not feel like I'm on the water right now. I feel like I am kind of just going straight down. And then you hit the water at the bottom.
Red light, run. Shit, another one. Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run.
Fucking Walter Mario, The Cosby Show. Partridge Family. I don't know.
Nice cutoff, and that was a left turn lane dive.
Not that seven.
Participate in new or renewed Caremark prescription drug plans.
The move stuns Wall Street. It never imagined either company would dare shut the other out. Walgreens is the nation's largest pharmacy chain. But Walgreens makes $5 billion a year from filling Caremark prescriptions. They're like two vipers, inextricably intertwined. 2 days later, CVS punches back. It announces it will drop Walgreens from all care.
Come on, dude. You know, this traffic in the right lane is not that unusual. And nice cutoff. Yep, straight only lane.
A few days before, he and his wife and the infant Tom and Lelia had gone to Scottsdale for a christening, and Mrs. Quinn and the two children had stayed on to visit with her sister. No evidence that the dam had ever been inspected periodically, occasionally, or even once.
Exit dive.
Subway lines and all while the business of that city went on. No.
Red light, run. Red light, run. Red light, run.
It is simply requires an amount of courage that is simply impossible.
Hello? You're a moron.
And then we went public with a couple of reports. Other women came forward. Ultimately, the board staff.
Thank you for what you're doing.
Well, I have a wonderful team.
No turn on red. Although this is debatable because the no turn on red is on this side of the street, but not on that. I'm going to assume that it counts.
Paul. No, of course it's a question.
No, stop.
Is it automatic?
No, stop. Again, this stop sign is pointless, but everyone runs it, but it's there, and you know the drill by now.
Hello. He's a good golfer.
He is. I know this kid from Upstate. No,
stop.